How much is this? Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a larger size? Can I try it on? What's the price of this? Can you help me, please? I'm just looking, thank you. Do you have this in stock? Where can I find this item? Do you have this in another color? I'm looking for a gift. Can you recommend something? Is this on sale? Are there any discounts? Is there a warranty? Can you check the price for me? I need a receipt, please. Can I get a bag for this? Do you sell this item here? It's too expensive. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I exchange this later? I'd like to order this online. Can you hold this for me? I need something cheaper. Can I have a refund? Where can I find the vegetables? Can you weigh this for me? Do you have fresh bread? I need 500 grams of this. What's the price per kilo? Can I get a receipt, please? Do you sell organic food? I'd like a bottle of water. Where are the shopping carts? Can I use a discount card?